When disaster strikes, the world as we know it can change in an instant. Natural disasters, pandemics, or even societal breakdowns can leave us without the basic necessities we often take for granted. Clean water and hygiene become crucial. Without access to these, the risk of disease and infection skyrockets, making an already dire situation even worse. Infections can turn a bad situation into a life-threatening one. A small cut or scrape can become a serious problem if not properly cleaned and treated. That's where survival soap comes in. This isn't just any soap, it's a versatile tool in your survival kit. Store-bought soap might not be available. In times of crisis, shelves can empty quickly, and supply chains can be disrupted. Knowing how to make your own gives you a powerful advantage. You can create a reliable cleaning agent from natural ingredients found in your environment. Survival soap is about more than just washing your hands. It's about maintaining hygiene and health in challenging conditions. It's about staying healthy when the world around you is anything but. Proper hygiene can prevent the spread of illness and keep you and your loved ones safe. This soap can clean wounds, disinfect surfaces, and even wash clothes in a pinch. Its versatility makes it an essential item in any survival scenario. Washing clothes by hand with homemade soap ensures that you can maintain cleanliness and hygiene, even without modern conveniences. Making your own soap ensures you have a reliable cleaning agent. You won't have to rely on uncertain supplies or the availability of commercial products. You control the ingredients and can customize it to your needs. Whether you need a gentle soap for sensitive skin or a stronger disinfectant, you have the power to create what you need. This self-sufficiency is essential in any survival situation. Being able to provide for your own needs reduces dependency and increases your chances of thriving. Knowing this ancient skill connects you to generations past. Our ancestors relied on these techniques to survive, and so can we. It's a reminder that humans are resourceful and can overcome challenges with knowledge and preparation. By mastering the art of survival soap, you equip yourself with a vital tool for any emergency. Making survival soap requires just a few key ingredients: fat, lye, and water. Don't let the simplicity fool you though. Each ingredient is crucial to the process. Fat is the base of your soap. You can use animal fat rendered from cooking or hunting. Plant oils like olive oil or coconut oil also work. Each fat creates a soap with unique properties. Lye is the magic ingredient. It causes a chemical reaction with the fat, called saponification, that creates soap. You can make lye from wood ash, a readily available resource in the wild. Water is essential for dissolving the lye and combining it with the fat. Use clean water whenever possible. Rainwater collected in a clean container is a good option. Making lye from wood ash is a straightforward process. First, build a hot fire using hardwood like oak or maple. Softwoods won't produce the same quality of ash. Once the fire burns down, collect the white ash left behind. This is your raw material for lye. You want fine white ash, free from chunks of charcoal or debris. Next, pack the ash tightly into a container with a small hole in the bottom. A plastic bucket with a drilled hole works well. Place a collection container beneath the hole. Slowly pour water over the ash, allowing it to drip through into the container below. This leaches the lye from the ash. The resulting liquid is your lye solution. Section 4. Crafting your survival soap, a basic recipe. Now let's make soap. You'll need lye solution, fat, and safety gear. Handle lye with care. 13 ounces of lye solution. Test with a raw egg. It should float. 2 pounds of fat or oil. Add lye to melted fat, stirring constantly. The mixture will heat up. Stir until it reaches a trace. It should leave a trail when you lift the spoon. Pour into a mold. Use a wooden box lined with parchment paper. Cover and insulate the mold. Allow to cure for 4 to 6 weeks. This completes saponification and hardens the soap. Section 5. Beyond the basics, herbal infusions and natural variations. Once you've mastered basic survival soap, get creative. Add natural ingredients to enhance its properties and fragrance. Herbal infusions. Lavender is known for its calming and antiseptic properties. Rosemary stimulates circulation and helps with muscle aches. Tea tree oil is a powerful antifungal and antibacterial agent. Natural variations. Charcoal soap with activated charcoal draws out impurities and toxins. Coconut oil soap creates a hard, lathering bar with moisturizing properties. Remember, survival soap making is a skill honed through practice. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Section 6. Advanced soap making techniques. Welcome to the next level of your soap making journey. Now that you have mastered the basics, let's dive into more advanced techniques. These methods will not only enhance the quality of your soap, but also allow you to experiment with different textures, scents, and ingredients. One such technique is hot process soap making. This method is perfect for those who want to speed up the soap making process and have more control over the final product. This method speeds up the saponification process by cooking the soap mixture. Unlike cold process soap making, hot process allows you to use the soap almost immediately after it hardens. You'll need a slow cooker or a double boiler. These tools help maintain a consistent temperature, which is crucial for the hot process method. First, prepare your lye solution and melt your fats as usual. Make sure to follow safety guidelines when handling lye, as it is a caustic substance. Combine the lye and fats in the slow cooker and set it to low heat. Stir the mixture occasionally to ensure even cooking and to prevent any lumps from forming. After about an hour, the soap will reach a gel-like consistency. This is a sign that the saponification process is well underway. This is called the gel phase. It's an important stage where the soap becomes more translucent and easier to mold. Once the soap has fully gelled, you can add any additional ingredients like herbs or essential oils. This is the perfect time to get creative with your soap. Pour the mixture into molds and let it cool. Make sure to tap the molds gently to remove any air bubbles. The soap is ready to use as soon as it hardens, but allowing it to cure for a week will improve its quality. Curing helps to evaporate any excess water, making the soap harder and longer lasting. Section 7. Troubleshooting common issues. Even experienced soap makers encounter problems. Here are some common issues and how to fix them. If your soap is too soft, it may not have enough lye. You can remelt the soap and add more lye solution. If your soap is crumbly, it may have too much lye. You can grate the soap and remelt it with additional fat. If your soap has a layer of oil on top, it may not have reached trace. Stir the mixture until it thickens. If your soap has air bubbles, it may have been stirred too vigorously. Tap the mold on the counter to release any trapped air. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Each batch of soap is a learning experience. Section 8. Storing and preserving homemade soap. Proper storage is essential to extend the life of your soap. Store your soap in a cool, dry place. Avoid exposing it to direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. Use a breathable container like a wooden box or a cardboard box. This allows the soap to continue curing and prevents it from becoming too soft. If you live in a humid climate, consider using a dehumidifier in your storage area. Label your soap with the date it was made and the ingredients used. This helps you keep track of your inventory and ensures you use the oldest soap first. Properly stored, homemade soap can last for years. Section 9. The history of soap making. Soap making dates back thousands of years to ancient civilizations. The earliest evidence comes from ancient Babylon, around 2800 BC. Babylonians used animal fats and wood ash for soap. Egyptians made soap from animal fats and plant oils. They used it for cleaning and treating skin diseases effectively. Romans improved techniques by adding fragrances and scents. In the Middle Ages, soap making became specialized in Europe. Soap makers formed guilds and guarded their recipes. The 19th century brought mass production of soap. Today, soap making is both a hobby and a necessity. Understanding its history gives us greater appreciation for it. Section 10. The benefits of homemade soap. Making your own soap is not just a fun activity, but it also comes with a multitude of benefits that can enhance your daily life. Making your own soap has many advantages. It allows you to be creative and resourceful, using ingredients that are readily available in your surroundings. First, you control the ingredients. This means you can choose high-quality natural components like essential oils, herbs, and organic fats. This means you can avoid harmful chemicals and allergens found in commercial soaps. Many store-bought soaps contain synthetic additives that can irritate the skin. Second, homemade soap is customizable. You can tailor it to your skin type and preferences, adding ingredients that provide specific benefits. You can create a soap that meets your specific needs, whether it's moisturizing, exfoliating, or soothing. This level of customization is rarely found in commercial products. Third, homemade soap is eco-friendly. By making your own soap, you can ensure that the ingredients are sustainably sourced and that the production process is environmentally friendly. You can use sustainable ingredients and reduce plastic waste by avoiding store-bought soap packaging. This helps in reducing your carbon footprint and promoting a greener lifestyle. Fourth, soap making is a rewarding and creative hobby. It allows you to experiment with different ingredients and techniques, making each batch unique. It allows you to experiment with different ingredients and techniques. You can try various molds, colors, and scents to create a product that is truly your own. Finally, homemade soap makes a thoughtful and personal gift. The effort and care you put into making the soap will be appreciated by your loved ones. Friends and family will appreciate the time and effort you put into creating a unique and useful present. It's a gift that shows you care about their well-being. Embrace the art of soap making and enjoy the many benefits it brings. Not only will you have a superior product, but you'll also gain a fulfilling and eco-friendly hobby.